Welcome to Blind Bakery. He's holding the
Hello.
scoops. Say what's up.
Hello, my name is Xavier.
I'm Gareth.
Today we are making pancakes blindly, no recipe needed. But the ingredients.
It's going to be beautiful.
This is my bowl.
This one, my bowl. I already put some oil in it. You
My
can see that.
pancakes might be so bad, bro. I'm not gonna-
My pancakes are about to be wonderful. Big scoop.
Are you sure? Okay. Okay. Wait, what is that? Sugar or salt?
Just sugar. Oh, I forgot we need salt. I'm gonna stir it a little bit. I got
It's a
some
lot of
oil
flour,
in here.
actually.
I already got my oil in here. You already know. Because I'm the baker.
Wait, I need an egg. Do we need one egg or two?
I'm gonna put as many
Oh,
as
wait,
I
this is
want.
new. I can just.
Okay, I don't know why I'm using this for stirring.
Oh, like a whisk. I don't know.
We can share this one. Teamwork makes the dream work.
How much baking powder do we?
All the baking powder. I think I need water.
Oh, yeah, look at that technique.
That is premium technique. Alright, I'm gonna put a couple.
Am I gonna die eating this?
Maybe. Alright, look at this.
Oh my god, that looks so...
I'm gonna give them a gander.
That looks amazing. Is it too late to say I've never baked before?
I haven't either. It's okay.
Okay, we'll work that.
We're figuring it out.
I need...
It's yellow. I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to be yellow.
I'm putting sugar on... That's so much baking. That's too much baking powder. I feel like I'm... Oh, olive oil.
I got the comical spoon to save.
Are you sure this is olive?
Yeah, that is olive oil. I think. Let me see some more, Dad. I think I need more oil.
I feel like we're missing... Butter!
We're not missing it.
Wait.
Oh, I got you. A nice.
Do we put the butter in the pancake?
No, you put it in here and on the pancake. You do both, I think.
Okay.
Or that's the way I would do it. Oh, it looks like... Oh. I don't know what that looks like.
I think I put too much flour.
I think you need water. I think I want more sugar. Make it super sweet. It's like Christmas.
This is about to be the sweetest pancake, bro.
I think my pancake's looking pretty schmacking. I'm gonna ask.
Why doesn't mine look like... Oh my god, I put way too much flour.
No, you just need more water. I put a whole cup of water in mine. I'm cooking. Oh yeah, did you add salt to yours?
No. Can I pour some in here?
Let me get some butter. I'll make it good. Big butter.
Yours is looking so good.
It's because I keep putting water in it, and I feel like the more water I put in it, the more I can lie to myself.
Wait, yours is actually looking fire. Wait, this is actually looking fire compared to what it was earlier.
Oh, your color's not weird and yellow like mine.
How much butter do I need?
Good.
I know how to melt it.
That's smart.
Egg.
We'll move this to the
Hey.
other side also. You smoking? Smells?
What does yours smell like?
Let's get yours. Fine.
Okay.
I think you're gonna win.
No, I think they're gonna look exactly the same on chocolate chips.
Oh, I forgot.
Give me the chocolate chip.
Just use your hands. Bear Griffins, open it!
He's trying. I'll add like...
We'll show them our creations.
Oh yeah. Mine's actually super silky smooth.
Mine's not super smooth. I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit more water. No water. I'm actually impressed with this. I think this is gonna go way worse.
Dude, this entire video is gonna be us stirring.
Stirring and talking.
We spent like a minute putting the ingredients in. Like, okay, we're done.
It is good.
It's fine.
Pancake.
Look at that closer.
Check the drip. Check the drip. Pancake. Pancake. Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, I think I'm ready.
Alright, let's reposition the camera.
Are you ready?
Alright, I am ready.
Alright, let's do this. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring.
Four times.
Okay.
I'm scared.
You better hold it. Hey, that's not bad.
Let's see. Maybe why it tastes a little sour.
You tasted it?
I tasted the
You
batter.
tasted the batter
Yeah.
with raw egg?
Maybe. Wow, we take a gander.
Look at that. It's smoking hot and ready.
I thought it was going to. It smells like how it tastes.
Not bad. It's like yours looks like moist. Okay. Gareth, I want to give it to yours. Yours looks more pancake.
I don't think so.
No, okay, look. Yours looks like more moist, and it looks like not dry.
It's bitter. It's straight up bitter. I hate it. Let's try with some syrup though.
Mine looks very dry.
We have a special guest today.
Yep. Want to say anything?
All right, continue.
It tastes on.
If I got these in a restaurant, I would probably cry.
It tastes like edible dog food. No, wait. It doesn't taste like anything.
I give mine 0 out of 10. Oh, even with the syrup, it's still bitter. I give my pancake, this one right here, 0 out of 10. It is bitter.
I give mine like a 3. It's very dry.
I'm gonna give his a try. See what it is. Oh, his at least stays together. Oh, I could eat this all day compared to mine. It's a solid 7 compared to mine.
Wait, let me try.
You're gonna be highly disappointed. Give a flavor real quick.
Oh! Wait.
Is it good, man?
So bad.
Oh, you're talking about. Let's see if the dog likes it. Come here. Come here. Have a little piece. See if it is good. He's throwing up in the background. What do you think of it? Oh, he's spitting it out. Oh, he's finishing it. Never mind. I think that.
I spit it out. I'm sorry.
I do not know what you mean. It is so good.
Alright. I give Gareth a 0 out of 10. It looks. I give it a point for looking better,
It's a little fluffy.
but I don't know what made it taste like that. I almost threw up and I spit it out. Yeah.
I choked it down, but it was bitter. It tasted like something straight out of the garbage can, found behind the back alley. But
It tasted like beer was mixed in there, bro.
I know.
Straight beer.
I didn't want to say nothing on the video, but it tasted like bitter, like alcohol, bro. I made like beer or something out of my pancake. All right. I think that concludes our episode today. How would you think episode 1 went?
I think it went very smoothly. I almost threw up.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I think this was a beautiful episode. We'll see you all next time with what item are we going to make?
We're probably gonna make cupcake or cookie.
We're going to make cupcake or cookie. I'll see you again next
See you
time.
guys later.
Goodbye.